Hello guys, and today we're going to play Will You Press the Button? And I already think we're not gonna press the button. So, oh my gosh, it's snowing outside again in the same day. Okay, let's see. Your favorite character, the same thing, comes to life, but you are his mortal enemy. No, I don't think so. I will not, because then Zoom from Flash comes to life. That means I'm his enemy. That means I'm dead. But that means I'm working with the Flash. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. No. Okay. People. Next. You get, wow, 100,000? Huh, too bad that's not 100,000 subscribers. You have to use it for drugs and take them all on your own. Nope. You can kill any form of life with your simple will. Okay, but when you walk, a great pain is felt in your feet for each step. No, why would I even kill anyone? So, yeah, next. You can teleport. Whoa! But you vomit violently for 60 seconds as soon as your arrive at your destination. I don't know what that means, so okay. Then no, I wanted to press it. I don't know. Okay, you can redo. Oh my gosh, your entire life, but I'm gonna just next because I don't know what it means. Oh my gosh, winning! Imagine, oh my gosh, from your choice of lottery for a single win. Okay, that's much. Like that's 150 million. I want to have those subscribers, but that's not subscribers. Why can't they make it subscribers? That would be so awesome. Okay, let's go. Okay, create. Okay. Oh. Okay. Wait. Okay, you need to see it. LZ. LZ. Dot me. Me player. Speak. Ebola. Okay. Password. You can't see my password. Okay, let's get back. You are married to the love of your life. Ooh. You are both happy, and neither of you ever cheat. Okay, but you can't have any children of your own. Okay, including Dutch. Nope. Okay. My mom ran into my room. Okay, you are cured again. Okay, I think, I don't know. For the whole world, all healthy people can live forever and not die of old age. All diseases that have been eradicated have to come back. Black Death. I don't even know. Can I go? Whoops. Oh, you see some games. I don't like this. Oh, thank God, immediately isn't a real thing. Okay, you now know the exact moment of your death, whenever fate chooses it to be, but there's no way for you to escape it. No. Okay. It's too long. Everything you've ever wanted is free for you. Wow. You have to live in a college dorm for your entire life. Hope. I don't know even what it is. You can help direct any upcoming Tim Burton movie. Johnny Depp can't ever act again. I don't even know who that guy is. Tim Burton. I don't know. So like, you win a fabulous mansion. Fabulous. Okay, it's haunted and the ghosts have your sibling captive. Don't want ghosts in my house. I will not. Whoops. You can say anything in Morgan Freeman voice. You cannot control the words you say and when you say them. Oh, okay, you guys said no, so all your dreams come true. Oh my gosh. So do nightmares. Okay? I don't have much nightmares. So yeah. Let's do it. You are immortal and you have Wolverine, oh my gosh, powers. But you are teleported to the most forsaken place in the universe. I don't know. Okay, I think I'm gonna end it here because I'm tired of just reading. Yeah, I don't like reading on my language, but this is fun. But yeah, I'm probably gonna play this on my other channel, like Pros Gaming, maybe. Yeah, on Pros Gaming. Probably this game is gonna be there. So yeah, leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, that's it. Comment which game you want me to play next, and yep. Bye, guys.